This week on Basics, we're talking about glide ratio. So what is glide ratio? Well, a ratio is just a division between two numbers, and glide ratio is usually the horizontal distance divided by the vertical distance. So when you're on a glide, it gives you an idea of how much distance you can cover for a given unit of height. Glide ratio is sometimes also called glide angle, and there's a few different ways that these can be expressed. In free flight, we usually talk about horizontal distance divided by one unit of vertical distance, but sometimes if you're on the road and you're going down a steep hill, you'll see a sign that says 6 or 7%. That percentage means how much height there is per 100 units of horizontal distance, or you could have the actual angle. So for instance, a 10:1 glide ratio is the same as a 10% incline on the road, which is about the same as 5.7 degrees from the horizontal. There are a few things that influence glide ratio, such as wing design and the drag on the lines or in the harness. Also where your brake position is, flying with the wind or against the wind, and if you're in sinking or lifting air. One thing that doesn't seem to affect glide ratio very much is your weight. Being above or below the weight of a wing just makes things faster or slower, but your angles should stay roughly the same. And there's lots of things that have glide ratios, such as paragliders, hang gliders, paper airplanes, leaves in the wind, flying fish. And some people have measured the glide ratio of strange things like flying squirrels and snakes that throw themselves off of trees. I want to say a big thank you to everyone on Patreon for being the sponsors of this video, and if you're interested in other paragliding concepts like this, check out the other videos on this series. Alright, see you next time guys, bye!